The power of a traditional generator in an efficient portable package. This is the smart, versatile iGen 2200 digital inverter generator by Westinghouse. Designed with performance and efficiency in mind, the eco-friendly iGen 2200 uses a fraction of the fuel it takes to operate a traditional generator, yet delivers enough power to keep home essentials up and running during an outage. Plus, it's portable, perfect for tailgating, the campsite, or wherever your adventures take you. Be green and save green with the iGen 2200. At its core is a dependable variable-speed OHV Westinghouse engine, allowing the iGen 2200 to automatically adjust engine speed, producing only the power you need, saving fuel and money. Designed to meet the highest emission standards, a convenient switch allows you to select efficiency mode for the most economical operation possible. The control panel features two 120-volt outlets, plus two USB ports. Digital inverters create a clean, stable power so you can safely operate sensitive devices like smartphones, TVs, and computers. And with up to 2200 peak watts, you'll have the power you need for larger household appliances and equipment. Need more power? Simply connect the iGen 2200 to a second Westinghouse inverter generator with the optional parallel cable, and the two units are ready to work as one. Inverters are quiet. The iGen 2200 can run at volumes around or below normal conversation, making it well suited for close quarters, power outages, camping, and tailgating. The powerful, eco-friendly, quiet, and efficient iGen 2200 digital inverter generator by Westinghouse. A smarter, greener solution for your portable power needs.
You already know what it takes to get the most from a day outdoors. And you know a reliable generator is a must if you want to bring extra energy to your outing. But there's no place for a loud, oversized generator at your campsite. With the PowerSmart Series P2200 inverter generator, you can power all your camping and tailgating essentials for up to 8 hours without the hassles of standard generators. Featuring quiet power technology for quiet operation, it delivers 1700 watts of continuous power without disruptive engine noise. The engine automatically adjusts output to the power you need, giving greater fuel efficiency. Two 120-volt household outlets, a DC outlet, and a USB adapter give you versatility to plug in a combination of appliances and devices, while inverter technology keeps sensitive electronics like smartphones and tablets safe. To create an even stronger power source, a dedicated parallel outlet lets you connect to another PowerSmart Series generator and multiply your power. And when it's time to pack up and go, this lightweight and compact unit with an H-handle design provides easy 1 or 2 person mobility and convenient storage. Get more from outdoor gatherings with the PowerSmart Series P2200 inverter generator. Because when noise and hassles don't get in the way, all that's left is a good time.
For the outdoorsman, there's nothing better than Champion Power Equipment. Generators, inverters, winches, water pumps, log splitters. Anything you need to give you an extra hand, provide some reliable power, or get you out of a jam in a moment's notice. Champion generators are perfect for taking on trips or giving you peace of mind with home standby backup power. Our winches give you all the pulling power you need. And our water pumps and log splitters are the reliable tools you need to get the job done. The Champion Power Equipment family of products. Power, dependability, and peace of mind.
Congratulations! You just bought a WIN 2000 watt inverter generator, and now you need to know how to get her running. The following simple steps will show you how to prepare your generator for its first load. Start by placing the generator on a level surface. Remove the 3 screws holding the side panel in place in order to gain access to the oil fill opening. This panel is on the right hand side of the generator and features an oil fill label to help signify the location of the opening. Slide the panel off to reveal the bright orange oil fill cap in the bottom right hand corner of the generator. Unscrew the oil fill cap in order to gain access to the opening. To avoid tipping the generator, use a funnel to put in 0.35 liters of oil. You'll know the generator has enough once you can see the oil climbing up the threads of the opening. At this point, screw the oil cap back into place and reattach the side panel of the generator. Next step is to add gasoline. Unscrew the top and pour in up to 1 gallon of 87 octane minimum gasoline until the surface of the gas reaches the bottom of the fuel filter. To start the generator, first turn the vacuum release valve on top of the gasoline cap to the on position. Next, make sure all electronics are unplugged from the generator and the economy switch is off. Turn the dial over to the choke position and then give the recoil starter a pull. Once the generator is fired up, switch the dial back to the on position. The output light should be glowing green as a sign that the generator is running properly. Finally, to turn the generator off, simply switch the dial over to the off position. If you still seem to have troubles getting the generator up and running, or if you just have general questions, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-232-1195. Remember when you had a reliable yet quiet generator?
Remember when?
Hey there folks, I'm Eric Osberg with the Outdoor Report. So you've made a wise decision and you've invested in a Yamaha generator. Well, I'm going to show you what to expect when you get yours. This is an EF2000 IS V2. The I stands for inverter, which means super clean power for all those sensitive devices we use every single day. Now there's a few things to keep in mind when you unbox yours for the first time. Just open it up. There's this cardboard box on top. Underneath, this is your spark plug tool. You're going to want to keep that handy. Every Yamaha generator comes with a spark plug installed, but you're going to want to keep this tool in a safe place. The other thing that you get is this 12-volt DC battery charge cord. Now what that allows you to do is charge a battery without a charger. You can basically hook it straight up to your generator, in this case, an EF2000. Now one of the reasons that we chose Yamaha generators is they come with a 3-year warranty. And you can register yours either through your local dealer or online. So we've got it out of the box. Simply take this plastic off of here. And before you fire it up for the first time, you've got to add oil. And there's a friendly reminder right here. And when it comes to oil, we highly recommend you use Yamalube 4-stroke, and you can talk with your local dealer about appropriate seasonal weight. Okay, so when you add the oil, you go to the back of the unit, and right in here is your reservoir, and this cover actually comes off, so it makes for nice easy access into there. Last but certainly not least, you're going to need some gasoline, and Yamaha suggests using non-ethanol when it comes to your fuel. And for extra protection, you can use some Yamaha Fuel Med, which keeps gasoline fresh in and off season. I hope all of this helps. You know what to expect when you get your Yamaha generator. For more information, you can visit them online or talk to your local dealer.